guys, Jeremy at Speedworks here. The team at Speedworks coming to you with another great new and exciting product. We're going to be talking about our new fourth wheel kits for the RIOT models. This will be for the 2019 and newer. You know, the 600s, the 800s, whether it's in a Crossfire chassis, a ZR chassis, the RIOT chassis. We'll have both the 8-inch wheel version and the 7.12 or the 7-inch wheel version as well. Two different kits. Retail price on them is going to be $339.95. You're going to get 4 of the wheels. The wheels just like they got shown here. You get the 4 wheels. You get CNC machined spacer for the center axle. These 2 CNC machined spacers for the 2 outer axles. And then these trick billet aluminum washers that'll go in, and then you'll reuse your stock bolt. And the washers have a special collar built into them so that the squeeze, when you tighten everything down, you're not over torquing on everything. They'll eventually bottom out when you tighten everything up. And then you'll know that your axle and the wheels just aren't too wobbly, aren't over torquing the bearings and stuff like that. So again, 100% made in the USA with all the CNC machining stuff. We make that stuff right here at our shop. 4 wheels, going to add stability and whatnot for guys that are doing studding. Going to be more durable. You know, the fourth wheel kits are nothing new, nothing too snazzy, but we've got them now available for these models. They retail for $339, 2019 and newer RIOT models, 7-inch version, 8-inch version, and check them out on the website.